What if I told you, you are not just watching the world changing, you are witnessing one of the signs of Qiyamah right now. And most people don't even realize it, because the Prophet Muhammad warned us about a time when hearts would change. Stay until the end. The Prophet Muhammad said, Islam began as something strange, and it will return to being strange as it began. A time will come when holding on to the truth becomes difficult. People may look at what is right as something strange, and accept what is wrong as something normal. The Prophet also warned, among the signs of the hour is that knowledge will be taken away, ignorance will prevail, wine will be consumed, adultery will become widespread, and the number of women will increase, while the number of men decreases. These signs are a reminder that the world is temporary. Allah says in the Quran, corruption has appeared throughout the land and sea by what the hands of people have earned, so He may let them taste part of what they have done. When people forget Allah, when wrong becomes accepted, and hearts stop feeling the difference between right and wrong, that is a dangerous warning. But remember, these signs are not only meant to make us afraid, they are meant to wake us up. The Prophet said, the wise person is the one who calls himself to account and works for what comes after death. So, the real question is not, when will Qiyamah happen? The real question is, if I meet Allah today, will I be ready? If this reminder touched your heart, do not keep it only for yourself. Share it with someone you love. Maybe Allah will make this reminder a reason for guidance and reward for both of you. And subscribe for more reminders that bring our hearts closer to Allah. May Allah protect us, forgive us, and make us among those who are prepared for the hereafter.